I got license plates.
All
right, friends. You join us for another side episode here at Grid Life Alpine. We got a Subaru, got another Subaru. We got a Honda that we're all going together to go get ice cream. These are, after all, Grid Life street mod cars, just like this one.
Oh yeah.
Pardon the script.
Part of the script.
All right, I'm sorry, but I'm a little childish. I have to do this. Good. Hey, that's better.
Yeah, that's way better. Can you still see though?
Yeah, I can. Turn signals.
Yes.
Perfect. Another true testament of a street car. Alright, windows goes up.
Windows goes up.
And AC goes on. Look at this.
We got AC.
Grid Life rules, you know. Everybody's like, you gotta get, it's an ice cream rule. And they asked me today, they're like, hey Jackie, like, can your car actually go and get an ice cream? And I said, sure. Can our rival, Alex Moss, come get an ice cream as well? I'd love to, you know, do this with him. And he says, sure. And then as soon as the session ended, he started drinking beer. Oh, I get drunk, sorry, I can't go. Looking at you, Alex Moss. Where you at? Cruise control, set 61 miles an hour.
Oh, AC is so good.
AC is beautiful.
Wait,
Blowing
we
cool.
have the AMS heat exchanger. Does that mean AC works extra good now?
Yes, AC works extra good. We have Ben's Civic running very well this weekend in street mode. Oh, in street, sorry. 3rd place in street. Very respectable time. This is truly a street mod car. It's very comfortable.
It's actually surprisingly comfortable. I'm
right?
not joking.
Look, feel this.
Surprisingly comfortable.
And we have a little bit of stabilization, but like Alex's hand is shaking. And like, look, track straight. There's not a lot of potholes.
Yeah, because my alignment is spot on.
Alex's alignment is absolutely pin fucking point. Exhaust, a little droney. Let's be honest.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
If you've driven like a HKS high power straight pipe on BRZ.
Oh god, it's way worse. It's way maybe nicer than that. This still has resonators and everything.
Yeah.
So it's very comfortable. Like if I want to turn on the radio, well, I don't need radio. I got Bluetooth, so I can play all the anime songs to my liking. Just gotta navigate through the slightly.
I'm not joking. This is actually surprisingly comfortable.
This is super nice.
Yes, I'm actually not joking.
Continental cruiser right now. Copyright probably.
Yeah,
There's no bass. I'm sorry. We had to take that out. So it's only one stereo and like there's no bass. But you do get a little bit of music. AC. Look, my leg is up. Cruise control. Automatically dimming mirrors. Look, really nice. The blinding lights don't actually blind me. Oh, here we go. Look. 70 miles an hour with all the aero. 32 mpg. Well, 31 now.
Yes, 31 now.
What is not to like about this? Enough speed to go set records in real life. Drive it home comfortably on the same set of tires.
I like the fact it's like a full tank over there.
Yeah.
It says estimate 131 miles.
That's because we drive it kind of hard.
Yeah, we're driving kind of hard. There's a lot of car. Holy shit.
Well, are we gonna have to sit and wait? I think so.
I guess so.
Shit. That's not good. Dude, the fucking drive-thru is insane.
I know, there's a lot of people.
What the fuck do we do? Alright, you know what? Fuck it. Chuck. Full lock. That's actually a shitload of people. What do we do?
That's a lot of people for drive-thru.
Many hours later.
Like, I don't know why everybody's filming at this point. Because to us, it's just a very ordinary, very usual ice cream run. You get in the car, you wait in line, move a little bit when the line moves.
I think the takeaway is just that whatever car you can have, you can come and take, just have fun, right?
Come play in Grid Life.
Yeah, come play.
Yeah, that's the spirit of the rules, no?
Yeah.
And that's something we really looked into doing with the Supra. We didn't want to build something outworldly. I didn't want to build something like super like intricate that like it's undrivable in the street. This is perfectly drivable, livable in the street on the everyday. The only thing I don't like about it, maybe cold start. The cold start's a little loud.
Cold start's a little loud.
Yeah. We can tell AMS to tune out the cold start, and then it'll be all okay, honestly.
Yeah.
Hi, can I try the Oreo fudge brownie, please?
Have a good night.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Success. There's a question. Where are the other two Subarus? Did they break down in the driveway?
I feel like you got 3 race cars and a Civic here. Like,
Yeah,
Well-
rear-wheel drive, sports, coupes, and then a Civic.
Actually, to be fair, your Civic might be the most extensively modified car in this four.
Yeah.
From stock, sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
K-Tune catalog, the whole book.
Everything. I
Right there.
actually don't think they have anything else that I haven't put on.
Wow.
No, they make a billet oil filter. I don't have that.
Hello friends, you're joining me on our way to Pikes Peak. And I do mean the actual mountain Pikes Peak. You see it in the distance. It's pretty cool. It's only a 30-minute journey to the base of the mountain. And after that we'll begin the climb. The climb to the top. Oh.
Are you practicing for the race?
Oh no, we're just the tourists.
Okay. All right. So speed limit is 25 miles per hour on the entire mountain. It's very strictly enforced. If you're speeding
Absolutely,
at all,
sir.
we'll turn you around.
Absolutely, sir.
All right. I'll get payment up here.
Thank you very much.
Are we here for practice on the race? You should
wish.
say yes.
Just say yes and yeah, go fucking go. Alright, go for it. No, 25 only. No. We're law-abiding citizens, alright?
Alright, Pikes Peak. This is official. The TA90 is being at Pikes Peak.
It's a street car. We come here not for the race, we're for the, paying the money. Alright, here we go. Lovely. Very strictly 25 miles an hour. Very strictly.
This is very loud 25 miles an hour.
There, it could be louder. This is fourth gear. You want to try third?
No.
It's cool, but I was rather imagining my my maiden Pikes Peak voyage to be a little bit more exciting.
Not behind the Datsun?
Not behind it. Yeah, I love the car. I really love it. Just, you know. Oh, at least I have time to enjoy the view. 25 miles an hour. Oh god.
This is a very nice sounding 25 miles an hour.
25. A downshift ready? It's actually pretty quick.
That is quick. This is probably like the best automatic transmission out there by far.
Yeah. It likes it when you're full load.
Yeah.
When you're on a full load, like shifting is quick. The less load you have, it takes longer just for it to be smooth, I think.
It's just getting better and better. You see how the
He's just
road's
sitting
like
there.
camber to one side? I know
Yeah.
you can tell on the video.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavily cambered to the left.
It is, so you don't fall off.
Yeah.
Manual mode works awesome up in the mountains. You just lock it in fourth and it just fucking sings. I quite like the noise it makes.
Oh, they got the timing and everything set up already.
Really?
That's for PPIR, the not PPR, the high field climb.
IHC.
This is the start and finish line.
Yeah,
Like this is where they, line everything up and stuff.
really?
Yes.
This is it. Shit. We're at Pikes Peak and we're gonna do a whopping 25 miles an hour up the hill. Let's go.
The hill climbs into, we still have these official buildings set
This
up
is
already.
it, right? This is it.
This is about it. No. Jackie, no.
25 already.
25 already, yeah. Turn one.
Oh shit, you don't want to hit that.
Yeah, you don't want to hit that.
That's deadly.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, this
they have
is
the
way,
arch?
This
No,
is
they don't
way
have the arch.
tighter than in
I
the
told you.
rally.
I told you.
Someone time this.
Someone time this, please.
Oh, I've crashed on the rally right there.
I've crashed over there?
Right there. And about 2 corners down.
I told you this is way tighter than
Yo.
on any video or video
Yeah,
game.
this is actually fucking sketchy. Off camber.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Blind corner.
Blind corner down. This one is scary because it's always so fast into that one.
Yeah, they're probably in like 5th gear by now.
I crashed out into the trees there. I'm doing a whopping 25 miles an hour. Oh, lovely.
Oh, lovely. This is
Just look at it.
absolutely epic.
There's just switchbacks. Left, right, left, right. Imagine the amount of aero that would help your
I
blind
think
corner.
about if we have time for button willow, let's go like Angeles Crest.
Yeah, might as
Because
well.
they can do about 35 there.
No way!
Yes.
That's incredible!
I know, right?
That would kill people, Alex. This corner, I think I don't remember already.
Yeah. No,
Actually,
see,
it's track.
it just fucks you up. You thought you remember all the corners in the third rallye, but
20. Oh
you
god,
get here,
Alex.
you're
this
like,
is,
yeah,
you
well,
know,
this is 20.
We're
This
doing
is
20
serious
now.
now.
We're doing very serious 20 now. Down a gear.
Down the gear.
Seriously, I don't remember anything at all.
Yeah.
This is probably a timing
This is
beat.
timing beat. This is probably timing beat.
Alright, sector 1, 4
Sector
minutes.
1,
4
4
minutes.
minutes.
You can't even see much over there now. You just see the sky and clouds.
Oh, it gets
Holy crap.
worse.
That's it?
It gets worse. It gets a lot worse.
Worse or better?
Worse. I told you this is so tight.
This is so insane. Another one. Yeah, I crashed into that rock on the rally. Oh, this is where I fly off. Yes. I always end it too early, and then it tightens up, and you're like, ah, shit. Here we go again.
There we go
Look at it.
again.
Look at it. It tightens right here. Oh, I accidentally upshifted. Because that's where, off.
Yeah.
And you're dead.
Yeah.
And here, especially you're like trying to go, like, oh. That was traction control. Oh man, this is fucking sick. Love it.
How do you remember this? Seriously.
I don't know. Off camber into
Yeah.
another
Off,
hairpin.
this is off camber to the right.
This corner kills me. I think.
Every corner kills you up here.
Just deadly, deadly, deadly. Look at that. Look at this. Alright, you know what? I make it a goal of us. We gotta come to here to race some point.
Yeah.
I'll be an absolute pussy. I don't mind if I finish last.
I'll be an absolute pussy.
Alright, ready? Sector 2. Sector 2.
Sector 2.
What?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
I will say this. If I had to do this race tomorrow, I couldn't do it.
No.
I wouldn't be able to do it.
You really need to like live here for like 2 weeks just to get your body adjusted to the
Seriously.
height. Oh
Like
my
even-
god, look at this.
Wow, look at that drop. Actually, I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm actually scared.
Both Jackie and I are absolutely terrified of height.
Yeah. Wow. I see the cambered in thing. Jesus Christ, look at this. Oh my god.
Yeah, Sector 2's wind gets a little crazier.
Little.
But see, blind corner.
Jesus
How do you
Christ.
judge where you are?
No reference point on the outside.
Exactly.
Except for those gates.
What if somebody moved those gates?
You're fucked. Hairpin coming up.
Got hairpin coming up.
Oh wow. Blind,
Somebody already blind.
Lock up.
Man. Oh my god. Wait, don't crash into the car.
I know.
Oh my
Wow.
god. Oh.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, I'm
Oh
terrified.
my god. Film it. Film it. Ah! That's a drop.
I feel extremely uncomfortable
Me
on
too.
this side of the car.
How close can we get?
No!
But you can cut this corner is really close.
No.
Okay. Curb braking's off.
Nobody's cutting any corner today.
Took a while for the car to spool you in a second.
Yeah?
I think wow. Look right.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking
Oh my
god.
Where's the Evo corner? We're close or no?
Yeah, a few more. Evil corner is Sector 3.
Okay. This one is still sketchy because it's not a hairpin.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Holy shit. Are we stopping? We're stopping.
Are we stopping? I guess we're stopping.
Yeah. No, I actually need your hand here.
Oh my god.
Let's hold our hands together and climb up. Oh shit! That's where we were! You see it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, down there.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
That's where I proposed to my fiance.
Oh.
Dude, my leg's getting weak just standing here.
I'm getting out of breath just from breathing.
Yeah. Alright, the climb continues.
Jackie's slowly out of breath.
I'm slowly like in worse and worse shape. Like, I think I'm like unable to keep up processing the views and everything. And just getting in the car, I'm like, oh shit, okay, what do I need to do? Windows down.
Yeah.
Ah, that sound. That sound is a drug to me. I love VTEC. I freaking love VTEC racers.
Now you hear, you know how fucking crazy Ken Block is.
To drift all this?
This.
Fucking legend. Credit where it's due. Mr. Block is very senti.
Yes.
He's got balls that not a lot of us have, shall we say.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh Jesus, I'm seeing the views from your
Yeah,
screen.
don't. Remember,
Jesus.
you go where you look. Yeah, you have the wheel. So don't look.
Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my god, you see this dip? You see this dip?
Yes.
Oh my god. Second gear still spools okay. 25.
25.
Scary. Like you said, doing 25 up here is scary.
Yeah.
How do they go? Look at the bumps here. How do they do race pace?
I don't know.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the final corner.
But remember every time like every time they come to like near the end, the car's like just hopping like non-stop.
That's it.
That's
we
it.
made
We made it.
8:56. We started climbing at 8:03.
8:03.
And
So good solid 45 minutes.
well, we stopped a little bit.
Yeah.
Now we got to time the downhill. I am significantly underdressed. I estimate this is like 40 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, this is cold.
Oh, there's a sign. Summit, Pikes Peak. Everything's under construction, but we get donuts at least.
Oh,
So I told my kid to at least go pee there.
Let's
I
go
kind of
pee.
need to pee too.
Let's
Yeah, at
go pee.
least go pee at the
They don't have donut?
No, there's no donut.
Oh my god, so sad. Oh my god. Jack is like freezing to
I'm
death.
out of breath. I'm
Freezing,
freezing,
starving.
starving. But this is so fucking cool. Oh shit!
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Oh! So good. Chris, honestly, I need you on the back. Sandwich. Oh, I'm actually kind of warm now.
This is just like, this is not the picture. This is
It's
just
unreal.
what we're seeing right now.
Unreal.
Oh, yeah.
Time started becoming irrelevant when we were up here.
Obviously.
Look at it. Look at that view. I can't imagine them running this course flat out uphill. I would like to try. Does it get better than this? Really? Honestly, compared to this, what we did today was child play.
Yeah.
And I love time attack and everything, and I really respect everybody in the sport. But you can't compare to this.
Yeah, this is nuts.
The next level, next level. And you know what? I'd like to do this.